how to connect your controller to Geforce now. So doing this is somewhat pretty quick. The steps depend on your device. Most modern Bluetooth and USB controllers work, including Xbox wireless controllers and those kinds of stuff. But you're gonna go ahead and directly connect your controller to your device, and you can do this via USB cable or plug and play or Bluetooth. If you're doing for Bluetooth, you can go ahead to your devices settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, and then just go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth over here, go to add device, and you can go ahead and connect your controller like Xbox controllers or those kinds of stuff. Now, you gotta put in mind that if you open Geforce now, it should automatically detect the controller. And if it's on Android or iPhone, you can enable the Bluetooth in settings. You can put the controller in pairing mode and connect it like any other Bluetooth device. You can then launch the Geforce Now app and start a game. The controller should work instantly on smart TVs though. You can pair the controller in the TV's Bluetooth setting before opening Geforce Now if that is for some reason available. And if the controller isn't working, you can restart the app, you can reconnect the Bluetooth, or try wired mode instead since it's more direct. You can also make sure your controller firmware is updated and that you're not connected to multiple devices at once, which does cause input issues. So those are a few things you can put in mind if you want to go ahead and connect your controller. It's somewhat indirect since once it's connected to your device, Geforce should be able to detect it as well. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.